technology is not only helpful, but it also can cause bad effects. Why do you think so?
Not only that, technology is out, but using technology every day isn't the solution to make us better, but it's keep making us more lazy.
Yeah. Okay.
You
So
know that
technology,
some teenagers or even children watch watch videos or cell phones more like every day.
yeah, I know that.
After that, they have to wear glasses.
Yes, because they have a problem on their eyes, right? Yeah. They have a problem on their eyes because they are always using cell phone. And we all know that cell phone and computer, tablet or other gadgets have an um what do you call this?
Plus, they have
Have a
plasma lights.
radiation,
Not only
right?
that, they also have plasma lights, which is
Yeah,
really harmful.
harmful for the eyes, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. That's why we will not say that technology is very helpful and good at all. Okay? It can also have a bad effect if the people or the persons don't have a good manners how to use this. Okay?
because nowadays humans cannot control themselves from using phones to laptops.
Yes. It's really hard to remove cell phone to people, right?
Because
Because
I heard that some teenagers was when the teacher removed their phone, they will start yelling at their teacher, or even started saying bad words at their teacher for not allowing
exactly.
them to use cell phones here in Vietnam.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? I have an experience of that with Rain. You know that I sometimes I grounded Rain how to use cell phone. I told her that okay, today you don't need you will not use cell phone for today. And
Because,
then then she is angry and she is shouting sometimes.
because you know what? In the
Yeah.
90s, teenagers were so brave that that they risked their lives to save our country. But
Yeah.
teenagers nowadays, they're just lying on phones.
Mm,
In the past, many teenagers or
yeah.
many teenagers or men have to risk their lives coming to
Yes.
rush rush to the battle and fight for their country.
Yeah. Okay, very good, Hobie. So let's tackle first the good effects of technology. Okay. So first we have the communication. Can you please read?
Communication.
Yeah.
Oh
The
yes,
first
it's like communication is everywhere in the cell phones.
yeah.
Wait, 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 wait,
So
wait a minute. You can well,
okay, can you please read the meaning of communication? Okay, that's good that you are drinking water. Hobie, your microphone is off.
Yes, because I'm always thirsty.
That's good because water is good for our body, for our health. Okay, let's continue. I want you to see while I am talking or while I am discussing, but it's sad because I'm using cell phone. But anyway, let's continue. So first, in good effects of technology, we have the communication. Okay, can you please read the communication, Hobie?
Communication.
Yeah.
We all call, text, and video chat with family and friends anywhere in the world.
Okay, so meaning communication can be through to call, text, or messages, and video chat with family and friends anywhere in the world. So right now, we will also doing a communication, right?
Yes,
Right, Toby? So this one is one of the example of good effects of technology. Because of that, we will able to learning through technology. Even you are far away. Imagine you are from Vietnam, and then I am here in the Philippines. So with that, we can talk to each other with this communication. Okay? So how about the education, Hobie? Can you please read? Can you please read the meaning of education, Hobie?
okay. Education technology helps us learn through online classes, Google or educational apps.
Okay, very good. So in terms of education, there's a good effects of technology. Okay, it's very helpful for for those students and teachers because technology helps us learn through online classes, Google or educational apps or application. So right now again, the good example is what we are doing tonight. We are learning through online session.
Yes,
Okay, next. Uh, example in education, searching lessons on YouTube. Okay, so it is very helpful that with having a technology, if you want to share something about your student, but you don't know what is the answer, you can use technology or Google. Okay, Google or educational apps to search it, right?
yes.
Okay. So for example, you can also searching your lesson on YouTube. Okay, next we have the health and safety. Can you please read?
The health and safety.
Yes.
Machines help doctors cure patients and apps warn about storms or earthquakes.
Okay, very good. So still there's a good effect in health and safety because of the different machines, right? That help
You know
doctors cure
the
patients.
satellite?
Yeah. You know the MRI machine? You know the MRI machine, Hobie?
I don't know.
I'm going to show you the MRI machine because the CT scan and the MRI because this one makes people to know what
Ah,
are
I
there.
know this. This is the X-ray machine, right? It scans
Yeah,
our body part
yeah,
to make sure that
yes,
it is safe.
yes.
Can you try
So
watching
those.
the video?
Oh, why do you think it's ringing? Ah, no, I think it's ringing.
It scans. It's a
Yes,
scanner
yeah,
which scans our body parts.
yes. Okay. The MRI machine scans the whole body that we have. to know if there's a dangerous matters inside
There,
our health,
there are
right?
also dangerous. It is also dangerous light, which contains
Yes.
which contains which
Can
contains bad.
yeah.
It's also bad for your eyes if you try to open your eyes while it is scanning.
Yes, very good. You know what? The Rain's daddy needs to do it the MRI. Okay, she needs to do it the MRI because his back is hurt. Okay, so
Yes,
I go with him. Okay, on his first try, he first he need to lay down for about 1 hour and 45 minutes inside the machine. Okay, and then you know what? After 18 minutes, she calls me and the doctor. She tapped the bell beside the machine. It means that he needs something. Okay, when they stop the machine, OMG, he can't do it. He said that he can't do it because it's hard for him. Okay, so okay, after that, they rescheduled it again. Okay, they rescheduled it again for about 20 days. Okay, so when the times comes of his second MRI,
yes,
OMG, he go again inside the machine. And then after 15 minutes, he don't want it again. So in short, he don't have the MRI because he can't do it.
yes,
Because he said that when he is inside the machine, he feels so embarrassed. He wants to move his body. But when you are inside the MRI machine, you are not allowed to move any moving. Okay?
yes.
Okay, so next we have the bad effects of technology. So first we have the health problems. Can you please read?
Health problems. Too much screen time cause eye strain, lack of sleep, and less exercise.
Yes, very good. So, if there's a good effects of technology, of course, there's still a bad effects, especially in our health. Okay, so we can get the bad effects of technology when we are too much in
Yes,
the screen. Okay, because it causes the eye problem.
yes,
Okay, lack of sleep also, and then less exercise. Unlike before, right? People's are likes to walk every morning, and then they are sleep very early. Okay, is that clear with the health problems, Hobie? Hobie.
okay.
Okay, next we have ah the example of health problems is playing online games all night. Have you tried to play online games all night, Hobie?
Like Roblox, for example.
Did you play it all night? No.
No, my mom
Yeah,
would
no,
kill
it's not
me if I
good.
my mom would kill me if I do that.
Yeah, because it's not good to play it all night.
I
You
never
will
done it
die.
before.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good. That's
yeah.
good because if you do that, you will die. Sure.
Yes, our body also needs some energy to rest.
And also the blood, okay? If
It
we
needs a lot.
are don't yeah, because if we don't have enough sleep, we will also have a problem on our blood.
Yes,
Okay, so next we have the addiction. Can you please read and the example?
yeah.
Kobe.
What?
Can you please read the word addiction?
Addiction, spending too much
Addiction.
time on gadgets can lead can lead to laziness or poor grades.
Yeah. Okay, so addiction is spending too much time on gadgets can lead to
I can only
lazy.
I can only be allowed to use gadgets when it's summer because in summer we will end the school.
Yeah,
School ends. The last grade you're in will end, and and in Vietnam you will stay at home play for 3 months.
that's good.
For 3 months after changing to a new grade in class with your friends.
Yeah, yeah,
Even though
that's
I'm
good.
grade 6, my friends are still there waiting for me.
Well, that's a true friends because even it's too long, they are willing to wait you, right?
Yes. And when you go farther, your friends will not be there anymore. Or
Yeah,
sometimes you'll meet new friends at new schools,
yeah, that's right.
which I'm still learning at the secondary school, which it is also a place of the Kuke of the Kuke primary school. So they allowed so they also allowed your classmates to learn each other.
Yeah, that's why they,
Yes. Until when I was in the third school in somewhere else, I will not be there also. I have to live all by my own.
yeah, that's good.
Because at that
That's,
time I may be big and I can do anything for myself
oh,
so that I can learn at that school.
okay, that's good. Okay, that's why if you don't want to, and also the effects of addiction is forgetting homework because of TikTok. Okay, like rain.
Yeah. You know what?
Some,
After school, I have to go home to have lunch and then I stay at home all the afternoon. It
yeah,
is so boring. At home, I'm not
yeah,
allowed to use TV, computer, or any devices. Which staying at home is just too boring.
yeah. That's why many peoples don't can't live without cell phone, right? Without gadgets, without computer, without internet.
And yeah, I miss the time when I was at grade 1 to grade 5. I
Why?
can still stay at school to
Ah,
sleep and eat with my friends. But
mm,
now in the secondary school, I just have when I learn finish, I just go home, having lunch, and then stay at home. I cannot do even a single thing.
hmm. So there's a big
Secondary
changes.
school in Vietnam is just like that. It's
Mm,
really different.
yeah. But how about go visiting your friends visit you in the house? Did you play inside your house sometimes with
Yes,
your friend?
but my dad
Oh.
wouldn't allow.
Mm, okay, I
Even though my
see.
mom also allowed them to play with me because at the school I don't have anything or even homework.
Yeah. You are
Because
just focusing on your study.
secondary school is like that.
Mm,
The Vietnamese the Vietnamese government is also reducing homeworks so the students can have more fun with activities.
wow, that's good.
The government says that they will reduce homework
Mm,
so that the students can do much other things for their country and for their happiness.
Yeah. Okay, very good, Obi. So, next, let's have the cyberbullying and fake news. Can you please read?
Yes.
Okay, can you please read the cyberbullying and fake news? Hobie, can you please read the cyberbullying and fake news?
Regarding homework because of TikTok, cyberbullying, and fake news. Some people use the internet to hurt others and spread lies.
Yeah. Okay,
Example,
so,
hurtful comments on Facebook, job loss, machine replaced workers in factories.
yeah. That's okay. So, cyberbullying and fake news, some people use the internet to hurt others or spread lies. Mostly in lies, right?
No, you know what? Last time my neighbor was using TikTok and
And then,
and then she 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 has to face four
yeah,
adult teenagers bullying her. And
yeah,
after
that's
that,
good.
her mother and her father should her father and her mother tell that to the government, and then the government will pass it to the US. And after hearing it, all of those bullies went went to the police station for bullying child and
Mm,
exterminating their habitation. So that's also one of the reasons why you should not let kids watch TikTok too much, or it will be
yeah,
like my neighbor.
yeah, that's good. Okay, so have you already, do you have a Facebook account, Toby?
No, I only
That's
use my
good.
mom's Facebook.
Yeah. Don't you even try to create your own Facebook because you know what? Facebook is can cause depression and stress to people who use that.
And yeah, there are lots of adults using that.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
See,
So
like
example,
Messenger. You
yeah,
Messenger or Discord. Most teenagers or kids hang out in that place, and then whatever they do, they get bullied. I saw so many videos that
yeah,
that shows us that they are being bullied and harvesting
yeah,
activities by adults and even teenagers. Because
yes,
nowadays teenagers and adults are trying their best to roast people and their informations.
yeah. So that's why the example here is um hurtful comments on Facebook, right?
And yeah, you know
Okay,
what?
yeah, what?
I heard that back in the time our grandparents was young, they used to be a soldier.
Oh,
They
really?
used to be a soldier,
Mm,
rushed
that's
outside
good.
to protect our country.
Mm,
Oh, and not only
that's
that,
good.
my great grandfather is in the past he was a doctor in
Mm,
the war. He used to
yeah,
save many lives of soldiers.
yeah, that's good.
My great grandfather also said that in the battle it is really dangerous because he has to hold a gun and shoot the enemies before they reach before they reaches their place.
Mm,
My great grandfather also told me that without the help of the soldiers, you will not our country won't have today.
Yes, exactly.
Your
That's
country
why soldiers have,
your country also have soldiers, right?
yes,
I think
even
your
on the
I think some
first
of your great
century.
grandmother or great grandfather might be a soldier, standing up to protect your country from what's lurking out there.
Really, they both soldiers?
I think so because in Vietnam, in the past, people or mostly like every people have had to hold a gun and rush outside to battle with the other and
Yes.
and to and to protect their country from being destroyed. In 1940, Vietnam has occurred, which they lost which they lost food so hardly that it is so hard for them to find food. And then and then not only that, the war has been continuously breaking so
Mm.
hard that that the Socialist Republic of Vietnam have to do something. It's Ho Chi Minh. It's Mr. Ho Chi Minh. He is really old now, and that
Again, what's the name?
the Socialist Republic of Vietnam is Mr. Ho Chi Minh.
Mm.
He he used his last money to go to so that he could go to other countries like USA and France. He he he's he also shows support to their country so that Vietnam can stay longer so that they could
Mm.
fight back the other countries. And after going back
Yeah.
home in in 19 in 1945, he says to all the soldiers that even though if he died, he he and the soldiers would fight should fight back at all costs because of their countries
Yes,
and
exactly.
and their and the people at their country.
Yeah. That's why it's good to know the history of our countries, right?
And yeah,
Because
Vietnam is one of the country has the best history in the world.
yeah,
One just
especially
one
especially the soldiers,
you,
right?
you might not know that the soldiers in Vietnam they don't care about death, but they only care
Yeah.
about their country.
Mm, it's good.
And they are really careful for their for for their teammates because
Yeah.
my great grandfather used to say that when he was trying to help someone from dying, he saw his teammate got shot, and then he rushed down, laid his teammate on the ground, and waited for him to recover. And then he take he take his teammate's gun and shoot the enemies that are trying to hurt his teammates.
Yeah.
In that time, he was so risky that he almost lost his life.
Mm. You know what? I only know that tonight I know that your grandmother and your grandfather, right?
Yeah.
It's so very inspiring story that they are both soldiers.
My grandmother used to be a farmer, which my great grandmother used to produce food for the country
Ah,
so that the people in the country could can stand longer so that they cannot be hungry. She is one of she is one of the leaders of the farmers.
That's
It's
good.
which is some of the people who worked hardest for the people,
Yeah.
for the innocent people of Vietnam. And
Okay,
after
that.
and 20 years later, at the time when the Social Republic of Vietnam died, is Mr. Ho Chi Minh. Everyone was so sad that they still remember what Ho Chi Minh told for them. Be brave
Mm,
and stand out, protect yourself from what's lurking out there. So the soldiers immediately grabbed their guns. They are really
mm,
at that time they're really angry uh about the about the war when the United States are coming to Vietnam and taking their advantage in
mm,
places. And the
yeah.
Vietnamese people did not give up. They fight back so hard. And with the help with the Soviet Union, they also get so many strong weapons and armor and also tanks and machine guns. So that so that it could help them fight fight back the USA.
That's
After
good.
the help of
Um,
the Soviet Union, Vietnam and Soviet Union became friends
that's good.
because they both also has they because those two countries has their same of has also has their also having their same target is is the United States or the America,
Yeah.
because long time ago the Soviet Union fought back the America, but the America teamed up with many different countries, making them too strong. And then after all, the Soviet Union teamed up with India, Vietnam, and Cuba to fight back the other countries that are trying to harvest mating them.
Yes.
And also Vietnam is one of the countries that joined the Republic of the ASEAN,
Mm,
joined the ASEAN Republic.
that's
Indonesia,
good.
Malaysia, Cambodia, and a lot other countries like Thailand also
Like
joined,
that. Oh, well,
and also Philippines. They all joined.
yes.
They they all joined the ASEAN Republic program
Yeah.
to help the ASEAN to get out the rid then to get out the rid of all the bigger countries. And do you
Yes.
know that in the past, Soviet Union was the strongest country in the world?
Oh, that's good.
In the past, they designed weapons, machines, and lots of other functions so
Mm,
that it could help them to fight back the other countries. And still at that
mm,
time, the Soviet Union was the country that was the country that stayed in the ASEAN in
mm.
in the ASEAN system, which contains which contains Soviet Union, China, Cambodia, Thailand, Philippines, and a lot other countries.
Oh, that's good.
They
So where did
joined.
you know that story, Hobie?
What story?
That you are talking about. Where did you know that? Did your
My grand
grandmother and your
my great grandfather told me that after he
that's
died.
nice. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay? And also they share it to you at your very young age, right?
Yes, and he
Oh,
also
see, and you still remember it.
said this. You can see in the chat.
Okay, let me see. Oh,
He also said this,
we soldiers hold guns for you. Students to hold pens to write. Oh, that's nice. Exactly.
and he also
Okay.
said this.
You know what? I'm so amazed to you that you have a very good brain when it comes to remembering something. At a very young age, you remember uh, all the history or the story that your great grandfather told you.
He also said
We,
this.
yeah, that's why it's really matter that you need to do your best at your school, right? Because there's a lot of sacrifices of soldiers for us.
And yes, do you know that Cuba also stands in the US, but they changed their mind and reached the ASEAN?
That's
Last time
good.
they are last time they are in hunger and they're in the war with the America, so that they changed their country to live
Yes.
to live with the ASEAN. And after that, the Russia or the Soviet Union gave them food, and the other and also many countries like Philippines also producing food and life for them,
Yeah.
because they also helped Vietnam to win the war,
Yeah.
because now they are starved with hunger, because just because
Yes.
of the America banned them from restoring foods.
Yes.
So Cuba have to move themselves to the ASEAN, so that they could hold back their hunger.
Mm. Okay, that's good. At least I have a lot of knowledge tonight about that.
Yes, I have,
Imagine I do.
because my great grandfather also told even more. Like
Yeah.
when he was young, he has to run he has to run where so many where carrying so many items and ammo and
Yeah.
also food for
That's
their
why soldiers are very strong.
yes.
They can carry a lot even if it's
And yeah,
heavy.
one thing that you know that in ASEAN, they don't really care about how strong you are. But in
Yeah.
Vietnam, if you want, if and if you want to join the Socialist Republic of your country, you can also join, even though if you are a young age. Because
Yes.
you know what? In in the past 80 years, there was there was a child was 10 years old, was just 10 years old. When meanwhile,
Oh,
his village and their country
mm.
in Vietnam was in danger, because it's because of the France attacking them.
What
So
year is that?
19,
Can you
1945,
1945? Oh.
at that time he was so scared that he cannot see his family die. So he joined the
Mm.
Republic program. And
That's good.
also he has been a soldier until he got shooted by a gun, and then
He
and
he
then
died?
all from from 10 years, from 10 years to 15 years working hard for the country, he has delivered
Yeah.
more than 200 tons of ammo, food for the soldiers. so that they could continue fighting for their country.
Yes. Okay, very good, Obi. Can I ask when your great grandfathers died? What
Last time,
year?
a few months ago,
8 months?
a few months ago,
A few months ago. How old is he?
when he was
What?
when he reached 88 years old.
Oh, that's amazing. 88 years old.
But but at that time, he reached his max. He reached his max time to live.
Yes.
He did not
Can I
die,
ask?
but
Can
when
I
he
ask
turned
what is the
20,
cause of his death?
no, it's because of his age.
Ah, it's a natural death.
Yes, it's because of
Ah,
his age.
yes, because they are old enough, right?
Yes,
They need to rest. Yes.
and after all, he said that he also said to me and the others that everything should end like it has to be. And he also said that and he also said that in the past the skies are not blue like it used to be. It's still black.
Yes.
Gun and bomb sounds attacking our
Like,
attacking our country.
yes. Like what happened to Gaza and Israel, right? Do you
And
know that? Do you know that news?
yes,
Yeah.
and
That is so scary.
you know that to until today and in the first war of Vietnam, we have we have to hold back a amount of 370,000 bombs flowing from the United
Mhm.
States to Vietnam, which is those amount is about 7 nuclear bombs. Do you know what is a nuclear bomb? It's
Yeah.
that is really hard.
Yeah. I watch it on the news when Gaza and Israel attacking to each other. The nuclear bomb.
And yeah, the that amount of bomb got thrown into Vietnam was was about 7 nuclear bombs that fall into
Hmm.
Hiroshima.
Hiroshima, Japan? Is that Japan?
Yes, that
Hmm.
is that is also 7 times larger than the bomb that
Hmm.
landed on Hiroshima.
Hmm. Hey, that's good. You have a lot of knowledge, Hobie. I'm so amazed. Okay, so let's continue. Okay. Okay. Did you hear me, Hobie?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Oh. Did you hear the ringing sounds? Okay, so now let's have the cyberbullying. Ah, no, no, no. Let's have the job loss. Last one.
Machines replace workers in factory.
Okay. So, meaning having a technology, there's a jobless human or person, right?
Yes,
Because nowadays we have the machineries, different machines or machineries. For example, in rice field, right? When harvesting a rice, they are not using people or the man workers. They use machines, right?
yeah,
Okay, instead of doing it physically by human, they use machines. And also in some factories, okay? Instead of manually packing the items or products, they have the machines. They don't need people. That's why this one is one of the bad effects of technology. They
And
become jobless. They become jobless, right?
yeah. In the past, people had to work and design things by their hands.
Yes.
But even though that is a good idea to design
Tinatawag.
those machines,
Tinatawag.
but the but the area is also being polluted due to the
Yes.
power of the usage that they consume.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Wait for a while, Hobie.
I think it's almost 9 p.m. already.
Yes. So we will continue our learning on our next meeting, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So next meeting we will continue. I think it's only a short story. So after that we will watch a video about that topic. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you have any questions or clarification, Hobie?
No, I understand it all
Oh, that's good. I have a lot of knowledge tonight because of you.
because you know
I
what?
I learned.
The ASEAN team never stops growing so that they could so that they could be one of the most strongest one of the most strongest strongest revolution in the history,
Yes.
because with the help of the Soviet Union they can still growing. They can they can keep growing stronger and bigger.
Yes.
Because do you know that last time the American wants the Soviet Union to join their revolution so that they could beat the ASEAN. But the Soviet Union declined. That they said that they cannot leave their teammates in which is the ASEAN countries like Philippines or Vietnam and Thailand. Those are the
Yeah.
countries that that's our their comrade.
Yeah.
Comrade are just teammates, but more happier. And yeah, they decline, and then the Soviet Union is still staying here, helping us
Yeah.
reaching and also rising us every day.
Yeah. So helping with them is a lucky with us, right?
Yeah,
We are so lucky. Yeah.
because because the Soviet Union is also the strongest country in history,
Yes.
which is also the reason why the Mexico, Canada, and a lot of the countries team up so that they could beat the Soviet Union.
Yeah.
So I think it's all ended tonight. Goodbye.
Yes, Hobie. Okay, bye, Hobie. Good night.
Bye.
Thank you.